Joining us on the broadcast. More breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has declined to entertain a plea filed by a Sri Lankan national challenging his deportation after serving a jail term, asserting that India is not a Dharamshala that can host refugees from across the globe. A bench comprising Justice Dipankar, Datta and Vinod, Chandran stated, and I quote, "We are already struggling with a population of 140 crores. This is not a Dharamshala where you can entertain foreign nationals from everywhere." Sambhav Sharma, my colleague, joins us on the broadcast. Sambhav, take our viewers to the details, please.
Well, this petition was before bench of Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Vinod Chandran of the Supreme Court, and wherein the bench was hearing this petition by a Sri Lankan national, and the remarks made by this bench are like have hit the headlines, and the bench said India is not a Dharamshala that can entertain refugees from all over the world. This is what is said by the bench of the Supreme Court while hearing this petition. And this was a petition by a Sri Lankan national who was arrested in 2015 on suspicion of being linked to LTTE, a terrorist organization once active in Sri Lanka. And Justice Dipankar Datta said, and I quote, "Is India to host refugees from all over the world? We are struggling with 140 crore population. This is not a Dharamshala that we can entertain any foreign national from across the world," unquote. This is what is said by the bench. And the matter during the hearing, the petitioner's counsel had argued that a matter under Article 21 of Indian Constitution, which protects right to life and liberty, and Article 19 granting fundamental right. To this, Justice Dipankar Datta said that petitioner's detention does not violate Article 21 of Indian Constitution because he was taken into custody as per the law of the land. And also, the court pointed out Article 19 of Indian Constitution, which is available only to Indian citizens. And the court said, what is your right to shelter here? And however, the petitioner's counsel stressed that he was a refugee and his life was in danger in Sri Lanka. The court asked him to move to another country.
Yes, absolutely. Sambhav, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. With that, a short break.